Bring that up. And then I notice amongst a lot of my friends is that everyone's questioning everything right now, that we don't trust that our country, that our government, that the entities out there are looking out for our best interest at all. In fact, that they're using us as prey. What countries do you feel like are leading the way in fighting for like truth and transparency? And then with that said, how hard would it be for there to be this world pandemic cabal to take over?
Has the world ever agreed on anything?
No.
All 193 countries? Ever?
No.
Written language, religion, nothing. But suddenly this pandemic comes out and all the countries agree that essentially there's one solution, mass vaccination. You've got genetic vaccines that have never been used in mankind ever. And we're talking about largely messenger RNA vaccines, Pfizer and Moderna, which are the leads.
So we'd never used genetic vaccines in the history of man?
Never. And so...
Is that true? Bring that up. These are the first genetic... What does that mean exactly?
They're the first human messenger RNA vaccines. It's the genetic code for the lethal spike protein.
Got it.
What a gamble. So you have a protein that's been worked on for years and years and years, and it's lethal. It's proven to be lethal. Then we create the genetic code for this lethal protein and inject the genetic code with no idea what's going to shut it off.
No, genetic vaccines such as mRNA or DNA vaccines had not been used in humans before 2020. They underwent preclinical testing and early phase human clinical trials for conditions like influenza, rabies, Zika, HIV, and cancer, but none received regulatory approval or widespread use prior to the COVID-19 pandemic. Wow.
Now listen, messenger RNA has been around for a long time. There's a paper by Lalani and colleagues, British Medical Journal, that dates messenger RNA development back to about 1985. Billions of dollars were poured into this by countries all over, big companies, CureVac, Sanofi, BioNTech came along, Moderna. And there's a love affair with messenger RNA technology. I'm telling you, love affair. Can you imagine any protein we want to, we can make the code for, inject it and start making a protein? The enthusiasm for messenger RNA is through the roof. And when this pandemic came along, it was like go time.